Good morning, students. Hope that by the grace of Almighty, all of you are fine. Dear students, today I want to give a lecture on Introduction to Management Accounting, chapter number 10. There are most important terminology in this chapter, such as sales. Sales is a direct income or direct revenues for an organization. Second, variable costs, in short VC. A variable cost is a cost that varies in total in direct production to change in the level of activity. Third, fixed costs, in short FC. A fixed cost is a cost that remains constant. Next, contribution or contribution margin, in short CM. Contribution margin is the amount remaining from sales revenues after all variable expenses have been deducted. Dear students, now most important term, break-even sales or break-even point, in short BEP. Break-even point is the level of activity at which an organization neither earns a profit nor increase a loss. Now, margin of safety. Margin of safety is the excess of actual sales over the break-even volume of sales. Okay, dear students. Now, most important formula in this chapter. At first, sales is equal to variable cost plus fixed cost plus profit. That is, sales contain three most important elements. Number 1, variable cost. Number 2, fixed cost. And number 3, profit. Out of them, two cost, variable cost plus fixed cost. And these two costs jointly is called total cost. On the other hand, fixed cost and profit jointly is called contribution margin. Okay, dear student, my dear student, this equation is most important for you, because from this equation you can calculate various types of formula, such as total cost is equal to variable cost plus fixed cost. Okay, dear student, total cost is equal to sales minus profit. Just follow, dear student, sales minus profit. Then you will get variable cost plus fixed cost. That is total cost. Okay, dear student. Now, contribution margin is equal to fixed cost plus profit. Okay, dear student. Or contribution margin is equal to sales minus variable cost. Just follow here, sales minus variable cost. Then you will get fixed cost plus profit. Okay, dear student. Or contribution margin per unit is equal to sales per unit minus variable cost per unit. Or contribution margin is equal to sales into contribution margin ratio, or percentage of contribution margin. Dear students, now variable cost is equal to total cost minus fixed cost, or variable cost is equal to sales minus contribution margin. Just follow sales minus contribution margin, then you will get variable cost, or variable cost is equal to sales minus fixed cost minus profit. Just follow sales minus fixed cost minus profit, then you will get variable cost, or variable cost is equal to sales into variable cost ratio, or percentage of variable cost. Okay dear students, now fixed cost is equal to total cost minus variable cost, or fixed cost is equal to sales minus variable cost minus profit, or fixed cost is equal to contribution margin minus profit, or fixed cost is equal to break-even point into profit volume ratio. Okay dear students, now profit, most important term. Profit is equal to sales minus variable cost minus fixed cost. Just follow this equation, sales minus variable cost minus fixed cost, then you will get profit. Okay dear student, or profit is equal to sales minus total cost. Just follow this equation, sales minus total cost, then you will get profit. Okay dear student, or profit is equal to contribution margin minus fixed cost. Okay dear student, just follow this equation, fixed cost plus profit jointly is called contribution margin. So when fixed cost will be deducted from contribution margin, then you will get profit. Okay dear student, or profit is equal to margin of safety into profit volume ratio. Okay, now just a note, percentage for any term will be applied on sales which percentage is sales related. Just example, if variable cost is 70%, then what is the amount of variable cost? Solution, variable cost is equal to sales into 70%. Okay dear student. Dear students, now another most important formula which is not related to equation. Number 1, break even point in units. Formula is fixed cost divided contribution margin per unit, or sales per unit minus variable cost per unit, or break even point in taka, fixed cost divided contribution margin ratio, or sales per unit in taka into break even point units, or break even point is equal to sales minus margin of safety, or break even point is equal to sales into break even point ratio. Okay dear students, now margin of safety is equal to total sales minus break even point, or margin of safety is equal to profit divided contribution margin ratio. Okay dear students, now just a note, sales is equal to 100%, ratio for x, here x is variable, so ratio for x is equal to x divided sales into 100. Here x means variable cost, x means fixed cost, x means profit, x means margin of safety, x means contribution margin, etc. Okay, dear students, if you memorize these formulas, you can solve the math easily. Okay, dear student.